I hunt for some kind of vacuum leak, and there's a sound that I hear. Maybe you can hear it in the video. Sounds like a little squeal of a vacuum, and it gets much louder as I go right in here, somewhere right underneath. Let me turn on the light. Something, when I put my ear up to it, it's the loudest it gets. It's just right up here somewhere. It's not this plug, I don't think. That looks pretty good, and I put my hand over it, and the sound doesn't change at all. So, yeah, somewhere in this area here. Maybe here, I don't know, but I can't seem to find it or manipulate a seal that gives me any kind of sound.